Hello. So today we're going to deep dive into reliable Google Cloud infrastructures, and we're going to see design and processes which represent the best practices advised by Google. There we go. So let's recap where we left before the holidays. And here we go. I completed the Elastic Google Cloud Infrastructure scaling and automation. And now I will start this one, reliable Google Cloud Infrastructure design and process. Let's start the course. Okay, so it's a 14 hours course. It's an advanced one. So if I'm not wrong, this is the first advanced course we're going to practice. Well, yeah, the first one was actually the preparation for the whole learning path, but I will not count it. The other were introductory level, intermediate level, and this one is advanced. So it's 15 credits. As always, I will check. I have my subscription here, my monthly subscription. I'm interested in this annual subscription with the Google Developer Program that allows you to meet people from Google and have consultations, one-on-one consultations, plus some gifts, some credits, which allow you to test many complex architectures. You also have the ability to fuel your project with $1,000 in Google Cloud credits. Yeah, there are a lot of perks here. I will advise. I'm interested personally, so I will advise it to give it a chance. Okay, so also as I wasn't practicing, I was convinced that I will drop down in Golden League, but I'm still in Diamond League. But yeah, I'm not interested in this anymore, as it looks like there isn't any competition anymore. So let's just proceed with the introduction, and then we'll see if we can do just one module or maybe a couple modules today. There's a lot actually in this course, so let's go. It's a really nice one. Actually, it's the first one that is focused on design. The other modules, the other courses were more about technical aspects of the core services, technical characteristics, and now we're starting to have a broader focus. So let's go. Start course, start module.
Hello, I'm Philip Meyer, a course developer at Google.
And I'm Stephanie Wong, a developer advocate at Google. We want to welcome you to the Reliable Cloud Infrastructure Design and Process course.
This course is about architecting, design, and process. A cloud architect's job is to determine which cloud services to use in order to most effectively implement the applications and services they are building.
This is not an easy job.
That's right. Many services seem interchangeable. In many cases, multiple different services would work for the same use case.
The intent of this course is to simulate the process you can use to design a system that will run on Google Cloud. This course is not about implementing specific cloud features. It's about architecture, design, and process.
We like to joke that the job of an architect is to draw rectangles and point arrows at them.
Which, to a certain extent, is true. That is an important step in designing complex systems. In this course, you will focus on that design and planning. Specifically, you will work on architecting and designing a case study in this course. The starting point for any software development is to figure out what the software is supposed to do, who your users are, and why this is important. You will begin with this requirements gathering phase.
Once you understand your software's requirements and your users, you can start laying out the overall design. In software, this is a process of decomposition, breaking the big thing, your program, into smaller manageable units that you can start programming. In a modern cloud-based system, it is considered a best practice to break your application into microservices.
Microservices refers to an architectural style for developing applications. Microservices allow a large application to be decomposed into independent constituent parts, with each part having having its own area of responsibility. To serve a single user or API request, a microservices-based application can call many internal microservices to compose its response.
The architecture in the course will be microservice-based. This has a significant effect on the agility of the application in aspects such as development speed, deployment, and monitoring. We will consider the advantages and disadvantages of this architectural style. We'll also help you choose the best storage and deployment services using objective criteria.
Choosing the right ones can be complicated. Do you want a relational database, a NoSQL database, or a data warehouse? You also need to consider your compute platform. Do you want to deploy your apps to virtual machines, a Kubernetes cluster, or an automated platform like App Engine?
You will learn what the factors are and how to choose the right services for your various microservices.
Google provides many services that you can use to make your applications reliable. Availability, durability, cost, and disaster recovery are all important considerations when designing systems. If you understand your requirements, you can choose the right Google Cloud services to meet your application's goals for reliability while optimizing costs.
Now, there's a saying, security is not icing on the cake, it is baked into the cake. Before implementing a system on Google Cloud, you should carefully consider its security requirements and use the appropriate security services. Security in computer systems is implemented in layers. Google Cloud handles some things for you.
For example, Google secures the physical hardware that Google Cloud is running on. Google also provides many controls to help secure your applications and data.
Security is a shared responsibility, though. The way you configure your network, storage services, and machines will determine how your application is secured. When you design your case study, you will consider its security requirements and bake them into the design.
At the end, you will monitor your app to see whether you're meeting your service objectives. In Google Cloud, there are many services for monitoring your applications.
These include dashboards, logs, error reporting, and tracing. You start by defining your application requirements. As you develop your solution, you can use the monitoring tools to determine how successful you are at meeting your application goals.
The Reliable Cloud Infrastructure Design and Process course is a part of the Cloud Infrastructure Learning Path. This path is designed for IT professionals who are responsible for implementing, deploying, migrating, and maintaining applications in the cloud.
The prerequisite for this course is either the Architecting with Google Compute Engine or the Architecting with Google Kubernetes Engine course.
In other words, this course is not intended to be your first exposure to Google Cloud.
Now, the course consists of lectures, design activities, and hands-on labs.
You should spend a significant amount of time on the design and architecture assignments we will give you. As with many situations, there will be no one right answer. And typically, different people come up with different solutions. Architecting systems is a matter of weighing the pros and cons of various solutions and trying to find the best solution given your requirements and constraints.
Now, the more effort you put into these design activities, the more you will learn from this course.
Besides this introduction module, there are 9 modules in this course.
First, you will analyze and design a case study application using a microservice architecture.
Then, we will cover Google Cloud tools for DevOps and automation, and you will choose the appropriate storage services for your case study.
After that, you will learn about network design for cloud and hybrid applications and learn how to choose the appropriate deployment service.
We will finish by designing for reliability and security and by monitoring your applications.
Nice. So it's look really interesting, and I will continue immediately. So yeah, there's always this useless PDF. Throughout this course, you will work on design activities in this course workbook. You have 3 options for accessing the workbook: Google Slides, Microsoft PowerPoint, and PDF. I think I will go with PDF. Let's see how does it look. Okay, so let me take note of this link. Okay, so my workbook is stored this link. Okay, let's have a quick look. Define your case study name, writing user personas, writing user stories, defining SLIs and SLOs. Okay, design microservices for your application, designing REST APIs, designing REST APIs again, storage characteristics, Google Cloud Storage and Data Services. Okay, defining network characteristics. And then we have load balancers, and then diagramming the network. Nice. Designing reliable and scalable applications, disaster recovery scenario, and then we have service disaster recovery scenario. Okay, resource disaster recovery plans. Okay, cost and planning. Yeah, nice one. Okay. Next activity.
Slides are great for explaining concepts, but let's start working on the design activity workbook of this course. You can find the full workbook in the resources section of this course. In the first activity, you need to come up with a case study idea. Whatever your idea is, you don't want it to be too trivial. It should be complex enough idea that designing the solution will be challenging. For example, you might want to design an online banking portal, a ride-sharing application, or an online shopping site. These are all complex applications with many interesting design possibilities. Now, all of these examples have been designed before. Feel free to use your imagination to come up with something that hasn't been done before. You can use something that you might want to develop as part of your work. It's up to you. As this course is recorded, we won't be able to provide you with specific feedback on your design. Instead, we will provide you with a sample solution for an online travel portal application for each design activity. Now, part A of this activity is to come up with an interesting case study. For part B, write a short description and list the main features and roles of some typical users of your application.
Okay.
In this first activity, you were asked to come up with a case study, write a short description, list some of its main features, and list some of the roles users would play while using the application. To give you an idea of what to come up with, we'll go over our sample solution for an online travel portal application. Let's call it ClickTravel. ClickTravel is a global travel agency that wants to build scalable e-commerce platform to serve a global customer base. Let's go over the main features. Travelers can search and book travel like hotels, flights, trains, and cars. Pricing will be individualized based on the customer's preferences and demand. There should be a strong social media integration with reviews, posts, and analytics. Suppliers like airlines and hotels can upload their inventory. As for roles of typical users, we envision a customer, a traveler, an inventory supplier, and a manager. I'm sure we could come up with more features and roles, but this gives us a good feel for the application we would like to build. Now we can get started working on more detailed requirements and a design.
Okay. So I'm not sure if I already have to work on mine.
A new development begins with the planning and design phases. These require information gathering starting with business requirements. Once the requirements are defined, it is important to measure that they're providing business value. In this module, we will look at gathering requirements and then techniques for measuring the impact of these solutions. Let's take a closer look at what we will cover. In this module, you will learn to describe users of a system in terms of the roles and personas they take. These users will then help define and refine the qualitative requirements, which will be captured in the form of user stories. These provide a context for the architectural design and subsequent technical decisions you will make as a cloud architect. Example of business requirements include accelerating the pace of software development, reducing capital expenditure, and reducing time to recover incidents. The technical requirements of a systems are both the functional and non-functional features required. To help identify the most important requirements and measure impact, you will learn how to measure success using key performance indicators, or KPIs. We will also discuss the importance of using SMART criteria when defining KPIs. We'll finish by considering the most suitable service level objectives, or SLOs, and service level indicators, or SLIs, and from these, service level agreements, or SLAs.
Okay. It's still not clear to me if I already have to work on my stuff.
Useful questions to ask a cloud architect to help build the requirements are who, what, why, when, and how. The who is about determining not only the
Okay. Activity review. Let's just watch these videos.
And stakeholders. The aim is to build a full picture of who the system will affect, both directly and indirectly. The what is both simple and difficult. We need to establish the main areas of functionality required, but in a clear, unambiguous manner. Why the system is needed is a really important question. What is a problem the proposed system aims to address or solve? Without a clear understanding of the need, it is likely that extra requirements will be added. The why will also potentially help in defining KPIs and SLOs and SLAs. When helps determine a realistic timeline and can help contain the scope. How helps to determine a lot of the non-functional requirements. These could be, for instance, how many users the system needs to support concurrently, what is the average payload size of service requests, are there latency requirements, etc. They could be that the users will be located across the world or in a particular region only. All of these requirements are vital to capture because they impact the potential solution you, as a cloud architect, will provide. In the previous design activity, you defined user roles for your application. Roles represent the goal of a user at some point, and they enable the analysis of a requirement in a particular context. It is important to note that a role is not necessarily a person. It is an actor on the system, and it could be another system such as a microservice client that is accessing another microservice. The role should describe the user's objective when using the system in the scope. How service requests, are there latency requirements, etc.
I'm getting back.
Users will be located across the
As I suspect, they are hinting me.
These requirements are vital to capture because they impact the potential solution you, as a cloud architect, will provide. In the previous design activity, you defined user roles for your application.
Okay. Define your case study. Okay. So I will get back to
Slides
this.
are great for explaining concepts, but let's start working on the design activity workbook of this course. You can find the full workbook in the resources section of this course. In the first activity, you need to come up with a case study idea. Whatever your idea is, you don't want it to be too trivial. It should be complex enough idea that designing the solution will be challenging. For example, you might want to design an online banking portal, a ride-sharing application, or an online shopping site. These are all complex applications with many interesting design possibilities. Now, all of these examples have been designed before. Feel free to use your imagination to come up with something that hasn't been done before. You can use something that you might want to develop as part of your work. It's up to you. As this course is recorded, we won't be able to provide you with specific feedback on your design. Instead, we will provide you with a sample solution for an online travel portal application for each design activity. Now, part A of this activity is to come up with an interesting case study. For part B, write a short description and list the main features and roles of some typical users of your application.
Oops. Okay, so I will proceed doing the activity. It wasn't clear to me if I had to do it immediately. So part A, part B. Case study name. Okay, so I will do 1A and 1B because writing users persona looks like a further activity. Okay, yeah, this one I will do the activity 2. I'm just taking, okay, yeah, activity 2. So activity 1, activity 1B, okay. So when I finish, I will take a couple minutes to complete this, and then we'll get back to it. So yeah, I prefer this point to work with the Google Slides. Make a copy. Nice. Okay, so here. Okay. So these are my Google Slides. Defining your case study, online banking portal, then fill in the next slide. So my one will be, where is the text box? My case study is a similar one to the Google, the Cloud Skill Boost. Another one post by the instructor. It is a traveling service too. However, it is different as it allows people to book experiences which I will provide in my city. They can briefly describe themselves, age, mood, children's or pets, cultural interests, gastronomical interests, etc. I will take care I will provide them with an itinerary. So they will just tell me how much they want to spend, how much time they have, and some other details about themselves. And then I will provide them with an itinerary in the city. Okay, I will be their Cicero. So the app will be called Cicero. Yeah, I want to put it here. It's not original, but I think it will work for the scope of this exercise. Case study name here. So it will be called Cicero. Brief description. The users receive a link to a form. They describe how much time and what budget they have to spend in my city. They will provide details about themselves in the same form. Details which describe them as persons, people, and as intentions related to the trip. I will reply with a full managed itinerary based on the information. So list a few main features. Okay. During the whole experience, since they sent the form, they will receive credentials to a dashboard which will be available during the whole trip and after. Whoa, what's happening here? In the dashboard, they will be able to consult all the itinerary details, share further information, share feedback on past itinerary items and future ones. So if I propose them something which maybe is not really great in their opinion, they will be able to change it. For example, the car, which will use to move around. Maybe not the car, the vehicle. The places to be visited and the places to be visited and other activities. Okay. Moreover, they will be able to share photos in this dashboard, which will be in high resolution. I mean, I'm not sure if they're really interested to upload there, but they maybe be interested to view photos in this dashboard, high resolution. My stuff. So they can check on the itinerary, they can check the photos after the trip. They will have 1 month to save the photos. And after that, the material will be deleted. Oh fuck. So we have list roles of typical users. Okay, so in this system called Cicero, budget, okay, there will be me, there will be a tour, a trip, organizer, a trip master. No, how can we call this? A trip. Yeah, just the guy that decides the itinerary, which will be me. But the role, the trip designer, the trip director, then we'll have the trip assistant. So during the whole experience, since they send the initial form, They will receive credentials to dashboards which will be available during the whole trip and after. In the dashboard, they will be able to consult all the itinerary details, share further information, share feedback on past itinerary items and future ones. For example, the vehicle which we'll use to move around the places to visit. The customer support. Available. Yeah, the customer support. So if they can access the dashboard, they can chat with someone that can tell them how to use the dashboard, how to use the service, how to contact key people. Then we have the trip guide, Cicero. And the chauffeur. Chauffeur. How do you write chauffeur? Chauffeur. Chauffeur. I mean, is it the right one? Aha, okay. So chauffeur. So I will impersonate all these roles: the trip director, the customer support, the trip guide, the chauffeur. Maybe the customer support could be impersonated by a microservice, AI microservice. The trip guide, and the chauffeur. Okay. List roles of typical users. So the trip director, customer support, the trip guide, the chauffeur, the customer themselves. Okay, so the customers. And what more? The local friends of the customers. Or let's say external users. Or let's say not authenticated users, which can receive a link to, for example, view the current position of the group, or maybe just a timetable, something which can allow the customers to share with their local friends or people is not taking part to the trip information about where they were gonna be, what they're gonna do, maybe also the photos. Yeah, so not authenticated viewers. Oh, so this looks like complete for now.
In this first activity, you were asked to come up with a case study, write a short description, list some of its main features, and list some of the roles users would play while using the application. To give you an idea of what to come up with, we'll go over our sample solution for an online travel portal application. Let's call it ClickTravel. ClickTravel is a global travel agency that wants to build scalable e-commerce platform to serve a global customer base. Let's go over the main features. Travelers can search and book travel like hotels, flights, trains, and cars. Pricing will be individualized based on the customer's preferences and demand. There should be a strong social media integration with reviews, posts, and analytics. Suppliers like airlines and hotels can upload their inventory. As for roles of typical users, we envision a customer, a traveler, an inventory supplier, and a manager. I'm sure we could come up with more features and roles, but this gives us a good feel for the application we would like to build. Now we can get started working on more detailed requirements and a design.
Oh, I would like to also integrate with social media. Yeah. the trip director, the customer support, and so the organization internal will have access to one or more trips to social media integrations which recollect posts and offer stats about the visible trips. Okay. What about the pricing? I want this service to be high quality experience centered. Like the pricing, I want to be something which, yeah, is important, of course, to make this sustainable, but yeah, I don't want like to invest resources in automating the prices for now. I don't want this to be a marketplace. I want to be an experience as smooth as possible.
In this module, we focus on defining services. In new development begins with the planning and design phases. These require information gathering starting with business requirements. Once the requirements are defined, it is important to measure that they are providing business value. In this module, we will look at gathering requirements and then techniques for measuring the impact of these solutions. Let's take a closer look at what we will cover. In this module, you will learn to describe users of a system in terms of the roles and personas they take. These users will then help define and refine the qualitative requirements, which will be captured in the form of user stories. These provide a context for the architectural design and
So yeah, I interrupt for now here. And basically, yeah, we'll just copy the link of this workbook in this format. We'll take note, and for today I close it here. So we will continue with this design exercise in the next video. For now, I keep everything packaged for each module in a different video. So let's go. In the next video, we'll define the services. Thank you for watching the video and for